Okay, here we go. Who says you can't learn anything online? Got this from YouTube. This is how to transfer sound using light. Here's my tape player. As you can see, it's actually playing a tape. And interestingly enough, it's a tape on physics. Out of this headphone jack, which you can see right there, I have added an adapter. That is a 1/4-inch adapter down to a 1/8 adapter. Now I just bought that 1/8 adapter at Radio Shack today. I unscrewed it. Here's the housing. I just unscrewed that and exposed the terminals. To those terminals I attached 2 alligator clips. You can see a black one and a yellow one. The yellow one's on the big terminal, the black one's on the small terminal. Okay, these come out to here. The black one, as you see, is connected directly to a diode. Now this is a diode that I found that I just had lying around. It's an infrared diode, so that's why you can't see any glowing on it at all. The yellow comes out to a power source. You can use a battery pack. This is what I also got at Radio Shack. It's just 2 AAA batteries, and it's nice because it has wires attached to it already. Anyway, so that's 3 volts. I used a 3-volt power adapter. That's of course plugged in down there, that little green light. Oh no, it's not, it's a little red light. It's set to 3 volts. Okay, so I've attached the power to the outside sheath of that. I've stuck a little green wire to the inside of it, ran the green out to my other alligator clip, which comes up and attaches to the other side of the diode to complete the circuit. That diode is aiming or beaming its energy. Oh, this is really hard to see. At this little, I keep calling it a transformer, it's a transistor. It's an optical transistor. It was like $1.60 at the electronics store. It's really, really small. Here it is in comparison to my finger, but this is it right here. I'm sorry that's so darn blurry. That transistor, unlike usual transistors, this one only has 2 prongs, and so I just took 2 alligator clips, the red one and the yellow one, to the 2 prongs, and those are running back to the microphone jack on the back of the computer. There's the computer. Okay. I also used a 1/8-inch jack that I bought at Radio Shack today, so I bought 2 of them, unscrewed it, and attached the 2 alligator clips to the other 2 prongs. Now if you listen, you can hear the physics lecture going on in the background, but watch what happens when I block this light flow between these 2 with my little plastic piece. Ready?
Matter, energy that isn't particles that are waves.
Kind of cool, huh?
Into the heart of matter.
I've done a little experimenting, and these are all the diodes that I bought today. I bought yellow and green, or clear yellow and red, and this one I just had laying around. But as it turns out, red or infrared is actually the strongest. Now watch when I let this go, or listen.
The physics of the very large.
Oop, there it goes. Now I'm going to put in the red so you can actually see it happen. Hold on just a second, it's going to get a little awkward. But I guess if you watch the videos before, you're used to awkward. Okay, there's the red, and you can see it glowing nicely now. Now watch when I aim, listen to when I aim it on there, on the transistor. Quite a bit weaker. I don't even know if you can hear that sound. So let me pull it off. And look, proximity is the volume switch.
Sure. In the very sure, we're going to get rather speculative. Is it possible? Physicists say is not yet near to being done, and that is to develop a theory that combines quantum physics, the physics of the very smallest scales, the subatomic.
Isn't that wild?
General relativity. Physics of the large-scale curvature of the universe.
It's kind of hard to film it right and see where I'm aiming it. Sorry about that.
Physical and philosophical problems to doing that.
Anyway, I think I spent a total of $6 today on all this stuff, and half of it was in candy that I've been eating while I've been doing this. Okay? Talk to you later. Bye.